And last one, number 7. Start in a fighting stance. So this time we're going to use a kick as a block. You're going to throw your outside crescent kick. That's your block. Turn around, 180. Opposite foot. Back kick. Turn back around. Back knuckle. Hiya! And reset. Fighting stance. Ready. Outside crescent kick. Turn. Back kick. Turn. Back knuckle. Hiya! Good. Opposite side. Ready. Outside crescent kick. Turn. Back kick. Turn. Back knuckle. Hiya! One more. Ready. Outside crescent kick. Turn. Back kick. Turn. Back knuckle. Hiya! Number 7. Number 7 is going to be like our different one. So we're going to start in a fighting stance. She steps forward to punch. I outside crescent kick as my block. Turn. Back kick. Jump. Back knuckle. Hiya. So that was my right foot, my left foot, and then my right hand. Ready? Hi!